These are the best investments you can make in your 20s to secure your future. Smart Simplified. Hello guys, welcome to my world. Smart Simplified. Today I'm going to talk about the largest and most important best investments you can make in your 20s. Trust me, I've done them. I'm in my 30s, and I should be able to tell you about this. You guys are under immense pressure to believe that you should be considering investing in property, in business, Bitcoin, and all the other ways to get rich fast. You can see the schemes right now. You are constantly being told that it is an essential thing. You're shown what you should do. You're told all about FIRE. You need compound interest. Start putting money away now, or you'll be broke and dusty. I will not put you there for the rest of your lives. You don't want to be under such pressure right now. These are not to be taken lightly. You want to invest in the investments you desire. Skillshare can be done online. Learning community of thousands. Inspiring classes for creators. New skills can deepen passions. It is essential to think about where you should invest your money. Get out there. Have some fun with your life. Go on holiday and do the things you want to do. These experiences are worth investing in. I'll tell you what the value of the offer is. When you have value, it is social capital. More stories are possible with more experiences. You might be able to build your network. Earning more or being able to create more income. Best relationships were those that were given often. Promotional opportunities were available. People who knew that banter. These stories are the experiences that will be remembered. Other people had them, too. I can call it an encounters, non-tangible. Stories and experiences that I have had so far. Taking some time off, and this was years back, but I went into Thailand, and I went to Malaysia, I went to Singapore. I did this to expand my mind horizons, but also so I had many more stories to tell and to make me a better person. The best thing about experiencing is that it opens up your mind, eyes to the world, and I think it can be overcome. It can inspire you. It can help you identify where there may be a shortage or gap in a particular market. It's not only possible to create from it, but also where you can find it. It is tough to start from zero. No encounters from any experiences. So, realistically, if you have to spend £500 or $3,000, it's worth the effort to have lifetime experiences. But this is how you want to do it. Bright, and, of course, I will add save, and these experiences are worth the effort. These are worth the investment, anything and everything. The reason I believe learning is important. The reason I believe learning is important because you don't know what skill it is. Later, that could mean taking the job that means. If there is a free learning opportunity, take it, if you are interested. Working as a consultant for the NHS, I enjoyed this training course. I didn't have a consulting job while working in the field. Learn how to take courses and learn. You can also add something to your CV. It's something you can do. It's something you can distinguish from work. You can get help from people who have a bank of learning or things you already know. You're able to perform the tasks you have been taught. You are more balanced and more valuable. This collection includes experiences from a range of fields. Skillshare can be done online. Learning community of thousands of people. Explore and develop new creative skills. There are many classes for passion and learning. You can also take on Skillshare. Animation, creative writing, films, videos. Fine arts. How to use a camera correctly. Web development and UI design. That's a course I took. You just wanted a little more. And inside, look at the process. I worked so I could work with my group. Learn more and improve your skills more. There are many options for university. This is a great place to learn more. Learn from the content curated. There are no prerequisites for learning, no ads, just what you want. It is fun to learn, and it also comes in many different forms of languages. Now that I will put on the screen, I think continuous learning is a good idea. This is the best investment that you can make. I know that this is in your network. It sounds terrible, and recruiters are always apprehensive about it. The network is more important than talk. When I say network, I mean the one that is similar to the relationships that you have with others. You want to put your efforts into building them. Networks when you're younger, I'm going to tell it now. It is becoming harder and more challenging to make more. The older you get, the better your relationships. The reason is that you end with more responsibilities, but less time. People have the best relationships. When they are more profound, you only get them. It takes a lot of time to do it. Compound interest is depth. In your 20s, you'd like actually to work. Finding good people to surround yourself with. Looking for friends and being friends. Building your network could be defined as going to specific events. Learn to grow and develop. To find your friend at the gym, invest in it or someone interested in similar things. You can meet people from different communities. I knew many people in my social circle because they were part of my social circle. You can go to university in a different city. To meet new people, it's great to go to new places. Unique networking events for churches. Find out more about what I could do. I would be a part of that, and so. You can't build my network further. These areas are essential to control. You can even put it in your 20s. Put on your big girl pants, and you will be able to find new people to establish relationships with. It gets more difficult if you are not careful. Have social anxiety and similar symptoms. There are many things, but you must learn how to do them. To meet new people, get out there. Good people to work with. Relationships with for the remainder of your life, and even me putting myself first. Here on the internet, I've met so many people. Many unique and wonderful people are out there. Now, what would I call a friend? You can build with and invest in both. In networks and relationships is essential like essential, I can't even. Stress is necessary, just like any other emotion. Invest in more attractive bonds. You build okay so that someone doesn't hate you. This one is perfect if you don't like it. Education and school are two different things. But I will still say that vocational training is a good option. Certification is essential. It's not clear if that's an ASEB or a Prince 2. Is that in an MVP? Electronics. I don't know what they are. There are many certifications. There are many types of certifications you can get. It does not add another notch to the equation, but it is good. Your belt can add to your overall health. Long-term ability, and I can tell you right now that when you're a bit, you're not a lot. The older you get, the more time you have to do these things. Training and all sessions. These are worth your time. All the certifications and courses are available. Longer and more responsible. The quicker you can get there, the better. In your 20s, you can get certification. They will accept them if it is at least 4 weeks or months you've got time. You can increase your earnings and salaries. This is what you will see the next time. You should invest in healthy habits. Healthy behaviors. This is the best time to start a business while you're still in your 20s. Where you can learn and create. Good habits are the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. You can stay ahead of the curve in the long term. It's all about saving. You can invest by putting money aside. You will need to. Don't spend too much on your cloth. Depending on your size, as well as taking care of yourself. Learn how to become the best version. Make it part of your life and take control. Bad habits can become ingrained. In your 20s, now is the right time to play around with your patterns and have fun. Keep them in your routine and keep doing them. Then you will end up with the perfect thing. What do you want to be? To be the type of person who works. Get out and put your health first. Your 20s are the time you want to be the type of person you want to be. A person who sets the size 10 for all occasions. It's the only way to make a living. You've been doing this for at least 10 years. You want to live your best life for many years. These habits and routines are essential to establish. So they become part of you instead of you. Building the practice of being an avid binger. Lazy, crappy, and overindulgent. Money that you don't have. I'm sorry, guys, I just said it. Want to say, invest in your ideas. This is your 20s. Take the bloody risks that you are aware of. Trust me, take the risk if I'm wrong. If you have an idea, let us know. If you want to, buy it. Try something new. Now is the time. Time is on your side, and the truth is even. If you invest your money in something, you invested in an idea, but you lost. Everything at 21 took 5. It would take years to get it back up again. Only few people have the chance of failing to try. Big mistake in your 20s. Take every chance. I said it, and I missed a safe goal. Go on. Take some financial risk and invest in some things. Invest in investments, especially your own ideas. I'm not talking about giving you ideas. Money to an uncle, you said if you put. You'll make some money by investing in Forex. Millionaire in 2 nights, no, I'm not talking. I'm talking to you about your ideas. I'm talking about your thoughts. Your dreams are possible if you invest some money. You're going to learn some incredible lessons. It will be valuable to you and well worth it. It's okay to invest in the long term. That's it for this video. Talking about how to invest. What are the best investments you can make in your future? 20s, and most of what I have said are. Investing in yourself is okay. These are not the things you require externally. To invest in supporting yourself, be willing and able to take on the risk. Because you've got time on your side. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You will be back for more.